If you're looking to make your natural hair look more curly, defined, and frizz-free, this video is for you. It doesn't matter if your hair is coily type 4 hair or curly type 3 hair. Here's how you can get gorgeous curls every time. Step 1, always work with freshly washed damp hair. You don't want your hair to be dry because you want water to assist you with bringing out your best curl. Step 2, use a product with a good hold so that you will get the best curl definition and avoid frizz. Step 3, using your fingers, you can take the product and either rake the product through with your hands, twirl the product around your strands, or finger coil it. Or you can brush the product through. Step 4. Lastly, you can air dry or use a blow dryer with a diffuser attachment for evenly drying your hair and more fullness. That's it. You can do this all within 20 to 30 minutes, oftentimes less depending on your hair length and how familiar you are with the process. Hope this helps. Happy curling!